Jeff Seiler, CSRA Multimedia here, showing you my interactive window demo unit. An interactive window is just that. There's a film installed on the inside of the window, and what you're going to see here is this is just glass. And look at this, I'm touching the glass and it makes the computer interact the way I want. This is a 32-inch monitor, and I've got a film that's 32 inches in size, so everywhere the film is, it interacts with the screen. Look at that. And what I've got here is a slideshow that I can interact with. I can restart the slideshow so it'll run on its own. I've got sponsors running across the bottom here, and I can flip through them. If I want to, I can take this out of full screen mode and get back to picking other directories. Here I've got our website, so everything that's on our website I can access. I can go through YouTube videos. Oops. All I'm doing is touching glass. Here's a video where I've got from YouTube of somebody interacting with touching glass. Now I'm doing the exact same thing he is.